Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as from the title you all know that today's video is going to be a sweater as well as sweatshirt video. Yes, so today I'm going to share some sweatshirts as well as some sweaters that I bought from Flipkart. So all these sweaters and sweatshirts are below 500 rupees. That is really a affordable price range. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's quickly start with the video. So before moving on into the video, there is a little bit disclaimer about the color range. So you will not find any black, brown and dark shades in this video because I am a person who always try to experiment with the colors because I feel all the colors are beautiful and all colors are perfect for all seasons. So that's why I have selected some pink, yellow and orange kind of colors. So only this is the disclaimer that I want to mention before starting with the video. So let's get started with the very first product, and the first product is this bubblegum pink sweater that I'm wearing right now. And I really like the fabric of this sweater because it comes with the very thick fabric and the fabric is not at all going to create any kind of irritation, and even it will not scratch your skin. As you can see, it's a very soft sweater. The material is really soft. I really like the bubblegum pink color because it's really very girly color, and also it comes with such kind of combination, that is the white and pink combination. So I really like these kind of combinations on the neck because somehow I feel that they actually make a statement piece. And yeah, I really like these kind of V-neck sweaters because they are kind of sophisticated as well as classic piece also. So yeah, this is how it looks. It comes with the full sleeves. You can see the sleeves are really nice and it actually covers till the wrist. So I really like these kind of sweaters. They are really very easy breezy sweaters, and you can easily wear these kind of sweaters in the proper winter time. So yeah, this is the first sweater. Now so I will mention the prices, the MRP price and the sale price that I bought these on the screen so that you will get an idea. And even this one is from the Metronaut brand, and this one yeah, this is the first sweater. Now moving on to the next one, and it's again something very cute. So this one is the next sweatshirt kind of sweater, and this is how it looks. It comes with this kind of print, and I think if I'm not wrong, so it's a Pikachu print, and this is how it looks. It's a Pokemon Pikachu print, and I really like the color of this sweatshirt. It's a pure yellow color, and it's this is how it looks, and it comes with such kind of front. It's not pocket, you can see it's not a pocket, but it's just for the space for hand so that you can make your hand little warm. And I really like the this color because it comes with a very nice yellow color, and the sleeves are also appropriate for the winters because they are not too short, they are not long, also they are perfect and they come till the wrist exactly. Now the second thing that makes it more cute is the cap of this, and it comes with these kind of two, what we call this, ears or something like that only. And I really like this also. It comes with the plain back, so there's nothing printed on the back side, but I really like this. So it's the next piece, and I will mention the price and everything on this screen so that you will get an idea. is this. It's again a Metronaut sweatshirt, and this is how it looks. I really like the color of this sweatshirt. It's a orange color sweatshirt with the gray sleeves, and it comes in such kind of pattern. The neck is round neck, and I really like the sweatshirts with the round neck and sweaters with the V-neck. Somehow I don't know why, but I really like these kind of necks in sweatshirts. So this is how it looks. It comes with two different color combinations, and both of these colors are really complementing to each other. So it comes with such kind of color patterns, that is the orange in the front, and sleeves are of dark gray color, and I feel that both of these colors are really complementing each other. As you can see that both of these colors looks really great together. And yeah, so overall I like this. It's a plain from the back side, but it's written that it's a typography sweatshirt. And yeah, so I really like these kind of sweatshirts in the winter seasons. Now to the next, and it is the last sweatshirt of this video. So this is how it looks, and it's a baby pink, very light pink color, and it comes with the blue, navy blue sleeves, you see. So both of these are kind of similar, but you will see that it's a typography t-shirt, typography sweatshirt, and it's a plain sweatshirt. So this one is also from the brand Metronaut, and again the price of this one is 1449. So both of the sweatshirts are of same range, but I got this on some discount, so I will mention that on the screen. And it comes with the very light pink in the front and at the back, but you will get the navy blue sleeves, which looks really nice. And again, both the colors are really complementing to each other. I really like these kind of light dark combinations, and it comes with the full sleeves. The length of this sweatshirt is appropriate, and also it comes with the Metronaut logo on the waist. So yeah, this is the next piece. Also, this is really soft and cozy from inside. You can see the fabric is really soft, and yeah, so this is the next piece. And so these all were some sweatshirts and sweaters that I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also make sure that you subscribe to my other channel, and the name of my other channel is That Perky Miss Hindi. Make sure that you subscribe to my that channel too. And yeah, with that I finished this video. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and if you did so, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, be happy, stay connected, stay happy. Bye bye.